Hi, in this video I will go over how to solve equations when we have to solve for x. Starting off, I have 3x plus 2 equals 5. I need to get x's on one side and the rest of the numbers on another side. So I notice that I have a plus 2 over here. Now, in order for me to move it to the next side, I have to do the opposite operation that's being used with that number. Since I have a plus sign, I will now subtract 2 to move it over. So I will do 2 minus 2, that gives me 0. And I will do the same thing on this side since I'm moving it over. Now, on the left side, I just have 3x left over. And then on the right side, I will do 5 minus 2, which is 3. Now, I notice I have all the x's on one side and the rest of the numbers on one side. I will now do the opposite operation being used over here to get the 3 alone, because I need the x alone to solve for it. So, I will now divide by 3 on both sides. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we can essentially cross that out, and that leaves our x alone. Now I can do x equals 3 over 3, and 3 over 3 basically simplifies to 1, so x equals 1. Looking at the next one, we have 6x minus 1 equals 5. So we have to get the x's on one side and the rest of the numbers on another side. I have this minus 1 over here that I should move over to this side. The operation is subtraction used over here. The opposite of that would be addition. So I should add 1 and add 1 on this side as well. Now negative 1 plus 1 is 0, so I can cross this out. Once we do the opposite operation, it lets us know that we can cross that number out. Now I'm left with 6x on the left side, and on the right side I will do 5 plus 1, which is 6. Now, since these two numbers are being multiplied, all I have to do is the opposite, which is division. Divide that entire part by 6 and this part by 6. 6 divided by 6 gives me 1. This leaves the x alone. Now x equals 6 divided by 6, which is 1. So my answer is 1. Next, I have 4x plus 3 equals 27. So all I have to do is take this 3 and subtract it over on the other side. 3 minus 3 is 0. We can cross that out. 27 minus 3 is 24. So I have 4x equals 24. And then all I have left to do is get the x alone. So I can just divide by 4 on both sides. This crosses the 4's out, and now I'm just left with x equals 24 divided by 4, which is 6. So x equals 6. Next is a pretty easy one. We already have all of our x's on one side and our numbers on the other. So all we have to do is just combine. 2x plus 1x is 3x equals 12. And now all I do is divide both sides by 3 to get my x alone. X equals 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So x equals 4. And this is how we solve equations when we have to solve for x.